it is very difficult to give you an idea or a glimpse of what it is to be an awakened person, but still we can make some comments. So first of all, you must learn to differentiate between those in the awakened state and the awakened person.
那么要一言以蔽之，这个觉醒者的特质有一点困难，不过我们还是可以让你了解。首先，你要知道一个觉醒状态，还有一个已经觉醒的人，这两者之间的不同。
A person could be in an awakened state, but not awakened.
一个人有可能他已经进入觉醒状态，可是他还没有完全觉醒。
Somebody could be awakened, but may not be in an awakened state.
一个人也许已经成为觉醒者，可是他不是时时处于觉醒状态。
There are others who are awakened, as also move into awakened states off and on.
有些人已经觉醒，而且他在这个觉醒的状态中不断的前进。
For the normal person, they may look similar,
但是在一般人眼中，他们看起来是相似的，
but in fact they are not.
可是其实并不是。
Since your question concerns the awakened person,
既然你的问题是在问觉醒者，
the awakened person never gets hurt.
觉醒者从来不会受伤害，
He does not go into his past,
他不会抓着过去不放，
nor does he go into his future.
他也不会去一直想着未来。
There is no carryover.
对他来说，没有这个残留物，
And whatever happens, immediately he will stay with the what is.
他跟事件一发生，他就马上跟他待在一起，
And he will move on to experiencing the what is.
他就继续持续的经验正在发生的实相。
Experiencing the what is like burning up something.
经验实相就像是在燃烧一个东西，
When you burn something, you get energy.
你燃烧就会产生能量。
Likewise, when you burn the contents of your mind, you get joy and bliss.
就像你燃烧着你头脑里面的这个内容物，你就会产生喜悦能量。
So whatever happens, you'll be continuously moving into joy, bliss, or happiness.
就是不管发生什么，你就是持续的跟着这个喜悦在流动。
Now, you should not think he'll take an hour or so to stay with the what is, and the next hour he'll be experiencing the what is, and the next hour he'll move into joy or bliss.
你不要认为它是1个小时跟着这个状态，然后下1个小时又是什么，再下1个小时又是什么。
All these things happen almost instantaneously.
这些是持续几乎是马上立刻瞬间发生的。
And the awakened person would be quite functional.
觉醒者他是非常有功能性的，
He could work as a doctor, engineer, official. He could be a normal person.
他可以是个医生、工程师等等。
One in the awakened state is mostly non-functional.
有一个觉醒的状态，他是没有办法功能运作的，
He would not fit into the world.
他就没有办法在这个世界上生存。
The world has to take care of him.